Welcome to Microfocus Education. In this video, we will look at the new transition report type that has been introduced in SBM 11.7. The transition report displays a list of items that have gone through specific transitions in a specified time period. You can further limit this report based on who performed the transitions. Let's create a report to see how this works. In Work Center, choose the IDM application. Start by clicking the Create Report button. The transition report type falls under the List category. Let's say my team works with weekly sprints. For my report, I want to review the items that have been closed during the last sprint, either from being fixed or after the initial evaluation. Next, I'll select my transitions. You'll notice that there are some duplicate transitions in the list. That's because they originate from different states, which are shown in parentheses. For this report, I'll select the closed transition from Evaluating Issue to Resolved. I'll also scroll down the list and select Pass, using Control plus Click to select multiple transitions in the list. Next, let's save the report. And now let's run the report. I can see which items went through the selected transitions and when they were transitioned. Now, I want to filter my report further. I want to see only customer-reported issues that have gone through these transitions. From the Fields list, select How Found and set it to Customer. Let's preview the report. As you can see, the number of items has been reduced. Let's save our changes under a different title. Finally, let's sign out of the Work Center. Thank you for watching this short video on the new transition report. For full documentation, visit help.serena.com.